Welcome TMG lovers. In today's video, we're assembling the MS2020 metal garage shelter. The first step is to drill the holes for the building's base plates and affix them down using the provided anchoring bolts. Once they're in place, tighten the head to permanently sink them into the foundation. Here's a full layout with measurements showing where each base plate goes. Next, assemble the first truss system that goes at the front of the building. And when all the pieces are together, tighten the fasteners. Now the second and third trusses are assembled. Proceed as shown, and once everything is in place, tighten the hardware. Now the fourth truss is put together as shown and in similar fashion. Tighten all of the fasteners. Proceed to assemble the rear truss system in the orientation shown, and tighten everything down. Once this is done, you're ready to stand all of the trusses up on the base plates. Assemble the framing for the front doors and install the fasteners. Next, we will install the final brackets for the front truss. Now, put the set of part number 13s into place and connect the truss systems along with their respective brackets. Following this, the roof of the trusses are also connected with the purlins made using the set of part number 14s, which are connected with couplers, part 14B, and tightened into place. The process is repeated again until there are 4 rows of purlins on each half of the roof. Install the top of the side door frame, part 15B, and tighten the bolts. Once the door frame is secured, drill holes for the hinges and rivet the door into place, and then drill the hole for the locking mechanism using the included drill bit, part number 37. Now, install the framing for the window and tighten all of the hardware as shown. Once all of the hardware is tight, you can install the window and tighten it into place using the provided bolts. Now, you may begin layering the panels onto the face of the shed and tightening them down using the provided self-tapping screws. Remember to place them in a sequence where each upper panel overlaps the one beneath it to stop water from getting trapped inside. Install the vent using rivets, and when all of the rivets are in, put a layer of sealant around the edge. Repeat the process of the paneling on each side of the shed, along with the flashing of the window. Once all of the paneling is installed to the walls of the structure, you may affix the flashing for all of the edges of the building, which is done using the included rivets. Next, install the roof panels and tighten them using the provided screws, part number 36, and repeat this process until the roof is complete. Finally, once complete, the ridge cap can be placed along the top. Now the front doors need to be constructed. Prepare the frame as shown and connect the pieces using part 36. Next, install the panel and cover the edges with the flashing and fix it in place using rivets. Lastly, put in the door handle and the hinges at the specified measurements. The process repeats for the right side of the door, and they are riveted into place. The final step is to install the locking mechanisms to the middle and the bottom of each set of swinging doors. And after this, the shed is complete. Your MS2020 metal garage is fully assembled and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Note: the MS2030 shares the same installation procedure as the MS2020 model. For more products and walkthroughs, visit tmgindustrial.com and subscribe for more build videos.